Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Neuronest Connect. This is Kalyani with a very important information for all the parents out there and for all the teachers out there, especially who are dealing with early years. Now, early years, I would say it is not for the age group of 1 to 5, but according to the NEP, Standard 1 and Standard 2 are also going to be a part of pre-primary section. So we can proudly say that early years are from the age group of 1 to the age group of 7. Yes. And our today's topic is expressing art. So expressing their imagination, expressing their views, expressing their thoughts, their thinking through art. Now you will say, ma'am, what kind of art can a 2-year, can a 3-year or a 4-year child do? And what can he express through that art? So my dear teachers and my dear parents, let me tell you, just give them a blank paper. Let the child scribble. आपका बच्चा क्या करेगा मैम, वो पूरे पेपर पे अलग अलग कलर से स्क्रिबल करके रखता है, पूरा ड्राइंग बुक वैसे ही भरा है, पूरा डस्टबिन पेपर से स्क्रिबल होके पड़ा है. सो माय डियर पेरेंट्स, माय डियर टीचर्स, आपने कभी अपने बच्चे को पूछा है कि उसने क्या ड्रॉ किया है? Try to ask him open-ended questions. Now here when I say open-ended question means, suppose he has drawn a circle and I will point to the circle and I'll ask, what is this? The child is going to say, this is apple, this is orange, or this is circle. So that becomes a close-ended question where the child is going to answer in one word. So you have to always ask an open-ended question where the child will be able to describe the entire scenario what he has drawn. So you can, instead of asking what is this, you can ask, can you tell me something about your drawing? Oh, your drawing looks more colorful today. Can I know more details about your drawing? आप अपने ड्राइंग के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहते हो, आप आपके ड्राइंग के बारे में मुझे बताना चाहते हो? And then listen to the magical words that the child is going to say. Trust me when I say this. See, I have experimented this with a 3-year-old child. When I gave him a blank piece of paper, the child had scribbled in 4 corners of the paper, okay, with different colors. And then he was like, I'm done with my drawing, and he left. But I again called the child, I again asked him, Bacha, what have you drawn? Can you talk about your drawing? And that 3-year child, he was hardly learning to speak at that time, but still he was very confident. ये मेरी मम्मा है, ये पापा है, ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा कार है. And in the middle also he had scribbled where he said, this is my ice cream. So imagine a 3-year-old child doing this. So my dear parents, please learn to ask open-ended questions. Yeah, so coming back to the scenario of the drawing done by the 3-year-old. So I asked him, that bacha, why have you drawn ice cream? See, I can understand he has drawn his entire family in one corner, his mama, his papa, himself and his car also. But in the middle only he has drawn ice cream. So I wanted to understand his thinking behind that. So I asked him, bacha, why you have drawn this ice cream? And just listen to the answer. कल मैं मेरी मम्मा पापा के साथ हमारी कार में बैठ के आइसक्रीम खाने गया था. Now imagine. The child has imprinted the entire scene with his family in his mind forever, and he has expressed that through drawing. If anyone else would have been there, ये क्या 4 कॉर्नर में स्क्रिबल करके रखा है पेपर फाड़ के डस्टबिन में? Let's agree we all do this as a teacher also and as parents also. But dear parents, now we have understood the importance of open-ended questions and documenting art. So when I say documenting art, I literally documented that art. Like he said that this is my mom. I wrote there mom, dad, me, car and the ice cream. On the top I wrote the child's name, I wrote his age and I wrote his standard. And I had put that drawing on the softboard outside his classroom. And then I started documenting all the drawings like that only. So, you know, when the parent of that child came for the PTM meeting in the school and he just read that documentation, the parent was literally in tears. And the parent came to me, he waited to meet me for half an hour and then he came to me and he was like, ma'am, I would never imagine कि मेरा बच्चा वो एक सिंपल आइसक्रीम चोर इतना मन पे ले लेगा. And he has such good memories about that ice cream and that entire scene. and I was so overwhelmed with that entire scenario. So it is very important to document and to ask open-ended questions about your child's drawing. So this, it is going to help you understand what exactly is your child thinking, what is his behavior pattern, what is his thought pattern. Sometimes the child will also express his hatred, his love, his affection, his jealousy, and what not emotions through his drawing. Even the parents will be amazed. So don't think that कि अभी पेपर नहीं होगा तो फिर वो वॉल पे स्क्रिबल करेगा, हमने अभी पेंट करवाया है. No. Train your child to draw on a drawing book. Give him n number of supplies for that, especially 3-sided crayon. And then do comment me what you and your child has expressed in his drawing. See you in the next video.